If you have recently bought a DJI Osmo Mobile 3, you may be a little confused regarding mounting your smartphone to the gimbal. The answer is to mount your smartphone with the screen side up, with the camera end of the phone on the same side as the small red triangle that says phone camera direction. And that's all there is to it. Also, be sure to balance your phone in the center of the mount using the phone's center of gravity. If you have any questions on this gimbal, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And I will probably also do an unboxing video of this DJI Osmo Mobile 3 in the future, so be sure to stay tuned. If this video was helpful, feel free to return the favor and like and subscribe.